Central Daylight Time, and now includes the following marine locations: Baton Bay and Upper Laguna, Madre, Corpus Christi and New Aces Bays, and water Baton Bay to Port Aransas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are
triple header?
Development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio.
I think I got a triple header. They might triple header. They might triple header here.
Weather information. The current time
No?
is 4:51
No triple header?
p.m. Central Daylight Time.
No triple header?
Till out the 4 p.m. South.
Okay. Yes, they fucking are!
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Duval County in south central Texas, East Central Webb County in south central Texas, southeastern McMullen County in south central Texas, northwestern Jim Wells County in south central Texas, southwestern Wise Oak County in south central Texas, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles southwest of Clegg to near Rosita to 15 miles north of Bruni, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Alice, San Diego, Freer, Benavides, Seven Sisters, San Jose, Van Bold, Pulido Blanco, Chicolote,
You're having issues earlier with Tony and everything.
La Florida, Alice Acres, Rosita, and Lake Alice. This includes the following highways: U.S. Highway 281 between mile markers 660 and 682.
Oh, you fucked. Oh, right. I took the batteries out of the
Between mile
H8.
markers 746 and 774. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Duval County in...
There they go! Whoa! There they go, Gateway!
The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
KOR is gonna go!
County in south central Texas, southwestern Jim Wells County in south central Texas, west central Claiborne County in south central Texas.
I told you they'd issue another one.
6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rios, or 10 miles southeast of Benavides, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage.
Wrong one. Shit.
Siding and
Frequency mode 10625550.
Concepcion, Pulido Blanco, Messages, Los Angeles, Cruz County, Naval Air Station, and San Jose. This includes the following: U.S. Highway 2, between mile markers 686 and 7.
I know KRO TV is gonna go.
94
KOR TV is gonna go here any second. To avoid copyright, I'm putting my phone over the camera until they go.
Yeah. I could be like on Spectrum, I can tune to any
I'm gonna check up on. Let me check. Let me check 34. What the fuck? It's off the air. Shit. Okay, I thought they would have relayed. Apparently not. That was a waste of fucking time.
It's 42 p.m. Central Daylight Time. With a thunderstorm miles southeast of Lake. Moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60.
Yep, Duval, Jim Wells, Clayburgh till 6:30. I thought KORO TV would go, but apparently they didn't. What about KEDT? What about like local stations? I guess we'll see. Okay, shut the fuck up. 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 Before you get me fucking copyrighted.
Dude, look.
What?
Look at this. I'm gonna.
Hold on, I'll go back to Discord.
See the image? Look at this. Look how close that is to my. Look how close that is to web.
Almost went off for you now, didn't it, Gateway? Oh, the shit that happened earlier almost happened again. Transmitters went off earlier. Mine's KC41, his is WXK27, I believe it is.
No, WXK26.
WXK26, yeah. Alright, we'll see where this shit goes now.
In Corpus Christi has issued a special marine warning for Bathurst Bay and Upper Laguna Madre. Coastal waters from Bathurst Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Port Aransas to Matagorda Ship Channel out 20 nautical miles. Copano, Aransas, and Redfish Bays. Corpus Christi and New Asa Bays. Waters from Bathurst Bay to Port Aransas from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 40 nautical miles northwest of Corpus Christi North Beach to 28 nautical miles west of downtown Corpus Christi to 33 nautical miles west of Riviera Beach, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Riviera Beach, Flower Bluff, Packery Channel, Portland, Corpus Christi North Beach, Corpus Christi Naval Air Station, Port Aransas, Ingleside Irma Bay, downtown Corpus Christi, and Malaquai Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. Central.
15 more minutes. 15. Oh fuck. Wrong mode. Run mode.